Welcome to Simple, Slow English. Today, we will learn step by step. Just relax and follow my voice. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I change my plan. I change my plan today. I change my plan at work. I change my plan at work today. Sentence 2. We meet later. We meet later today. We meet later after work. We meet later after work today. Sentence 3. She works from home. She works from home today. She works from home in the morning. She works from home today in the morning. Sentence 4. They order food. They order food online. They order food online tonight. They order food online tonight at home. Sentence 5. He joins the meeting. He joins the meeting online. He joins the meeting in the afternoon. He joins the meeting online in the afternoon. Sentence 6. I stay late. I stay late today. I stay late at work. I stay late at work today. Sentence 7. We leave early. We leave early today. We leave early after lunch. We leave early after lunch today. Sentence 8. She cancels the plan. She cancels the plan today. She cancels the plan in the morning. She cancels the plan today in the morning. Sentence 9. They take a break. They take a break now. They take a break at work. They take a break at work now. Sentence 10. He works late. He works late tonight. He works late at the office. He works late at the office tonight. You built one sentence. You can listen again. I am here with you.